I've had the Holy Stone drone on my test bench for a while now, and I have to say, it's a real beast of a machine. This thing is designed for professionals and serious enthusiasts, and it's packed with features that'll make you wonder how you ever managed without one. With an impressive spec sheet that's got everyone talking, I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Let me tell you, this drone is no joke. It's got the looks, the brains, and the brawn to take on even the toughest shoots. So what exactly is this Holy Stone drone? Well, it's a top-of-the-line quadcopter that's designed to deliver stunning 8K photos and 4K HDR video. That's right, 8K, not 4K, not 2K, 8K. And with a transmission range of 6 kilometers, you can fly this thing from a distance without worrying about losing signal. Plus, with an 80-minute flight time, you can capture hours of footage without needing to land and recharge. And let's not forget the 3-axis gimbal. It's smooth, it's silky, and it's absolutely essential for capturing those buttery smooth pans and tilts. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key specs. First off, we've got the 8K photo capability, which is just incredible. I mean, who wouldn't want to capture their shots in 8K? Next up, we've got the 6-kilometer transmission range, which is seriously impressive. Then there's the 80-minute flight time. That's a lot of time to capture some amazing footage. And don't even get me started on the level 6 wind resistance. This thing can handle some serious gusts. And finally, we've got the 3-axis gimbal and 4K HDR video. It's the perfect combination for capturing stunning, professional-grade footage. In the real world, this drone is a beast. I've flown it over some pretty rough terrain, and it's handled it like a pro. The transmission range is seriously impressive. I've flown it from a distance without losing signal, and the 80-minute flight time has allowed me to capture hours of footage without needing to land and recharge. And let me tell you, the 3-axis gimbal is a game changer. It smoothed out some of the bumpiest shoots I've ever had, and the 4K HDR video is just stunning. So what's my verdict? I'd give this drone a solid 9 out of 10. It's a serious beast of a machine, and it's packed with features that'll make you wonder how you ever managed without one. It's a bit pricey, but trust me, it's worth it. If you're a serious enthusiast or a professional looking for a top-of-the-line drone, this is the one for you. So, if you like this review, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and tech news. I've got a lot more where this came from, and I'm excited to share it with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.